Welcome to Let's Play Solitaire, and thanks for joining us. Today we will be playing a random unedited game, and hopefully we'll have a little bit of a challenge so I can explain how to tackle certain situations. As always, I got more specific tips. You can always check out these videos if you have not already. Let's go ahead and get started here. I like to start with the columns first. That's where these cards are right here, and then work my way to the draw pile, and then save insurance card or save early cards from that draw pile right there as insurance. Let's go ahead and move some stuff around the column. We move this 9 over. We have two different options on the 2, and we have a king option. We don't know which one we're going to use, but we do have an undo button, and we'll figure it out. So we're not going to go any further with the king. If the king had opened up this column or moved a bunch of cards, we would keep that move, but there's nothing there. We'll check out this 2. That is interesting because if you remember correctly, there's a red 10 under the king, so we'll try that sequence. That's a dead end, so let's take that back. The other sequence is to move this 2 right here. Kind of a dead end. So we're not going to do any of those moves yet. We're going to see what's in the draw pile. Interesting. This could be our insurance card. It may not be our insurance card. Something to keep in mind. If we can open one of these columns, that'll help too. So this is real interesting now. So you have king. We have a red queen. We could put a red queen there. And then we could play this jack under the red queen, but then the problem is there's a red 10 right here that could go under the jack, but we can't get to it if we have king, if we have that spot occupied. So something to think about, but nothing yet. Alternatively, we could play. Oh, we can't. We need a black queen for that. So let's see if there's any moves here. There is an 8. That's good. I think there was a 7 of diamonds somewhere. I thought. There's a red queen. Don't like to play these out of the bag. I think we're going to do it, though. We're going to gamble with that and see what happens here. Because we have this red queen up front, which could give us problems later. But now we have this jack as an option. We're going to wait on that, though. And it looks like we're actually going to play it on this sequence here. There's no other moves behind it. What I like to do is save early cards in the draw pile as insurance, and then work out of the back of there. There's no moves in the back, so we're going to play this jack right here. And if you'll notice, there's a 7 of diamonds. That 7 of diamonds is going to drop. Then we can also play the ace of diamonds later on as well. But we're going to play the ace of clubs first, I believe. Or actually, we can play them both in this sequence here. So we're going to play the 7 of diamonds. And then we'll play the ace of clubs. And then the ace of diamonds will drop the next time around. We can also play the 4 of spades under this 5 of hearts here, and that'll allow us to move the 3 of diamonds over next turn around. We can also, importantly, move this 2 of clubs here, and I think that's going to allow us to... Uh-oh. I miscalculated here. I don't think I want to play this jack. I think I want to play this other jack here. Where did that jack come from? Let me look at that again here. I think the jack came from in front of that 7, didn't it? Yeah, it did. Ah! So this was the... Yeah, this jack is the one I wanted to play. But then we still have to figure out a way to get to the ace of clubs. We got to move 1 card in front of the ace of clubs to drop it. Let me see if we can figure out a way to move 1 card in front of there. I'd have to move this king. I don't want to move this king. I'm going to try it, though, because that's our only option. Sometimes, you know, that's what makes this challenging, is you don't get the move you want. So next time the ace of clubs drops, the ace of clubs will allow us to open up this column, and then we can move this card over here. And I think we're going to play both of these in combo. So 7 of diamonds down, ace of clubs up, 2 of clubs, 3 of clubs up, 10. Oh, that's good. We can open up the column. And we can, more importantly, open up, well, not open up, but make some moves here. So this king had the red 10 under it. Oh. And that 10 came from right there. Interesting, interesting. We'll just leave this king where it is. We'll see what other moves are out there. Now we can play the 4 clubs up, but it's not the best move. We're going to put it over here. And good news is we can play these cards as well. We'll play this 3 of diamonds here. We'll play the 2 of spades, I believe, yeah. And we can't do anything with the 2 of hearts yet. We're going to try to make a move later on, though. The other option is to play this king here. I'm not sure on that one yet. I'm going to go back again. There's the diamond. Unfortunately, this is a heart, but we can play that. And I think we will, because that's our first option, really. We're going to play that diamond there. We can now play the 7. Oh, no, we played too many cards here. We're going to have to... I'll explain this in a minute here. We want to play this 7, and we would like to drop this 6. If we play the ace of diamonds, we cannot drop the 6, but this 6 would drop. So we can play the ace of diamonds, because this 6 can drop under the 7 right here. So we can actually drop 2 cards. So we're okay. We're okay with playing 2 cards from the early draw pile, because we're going to drop 2 cards the next time around. So I'm going to go through again. And we should have both of those 6s together right there. So 6 of clubs we're going to drop. 6 of diamonds will drop. These 2 columns will get opened up here. Maybe we have something, maybe we don't. We'll see. 4 diamonds, I think we can play that. But more importantly, we can bring this 3 of clubs down. I don't know if you see the move here, but there's the deuce of hearts right there. And that's good. That's the ace of spades. That opens that up. We can also play the 2 of spades as well. We need to get the ace of diamonds, or the ace of hearts up, so we can find some more moves. We have this 5 of hearts. We're going to open up this column. That's good. We've got 2 open spots for the king, so we're just going to play this king. And I think we're going to hold off. Yeah, we're going to hold off on this for now. I think there may be another king left in there. There is. So we're going to try to play that next. This is our insurance card, and we're going to save it for later. We got to figure out a king or a jack combination where we could so we get a black queen, a red jack, and then move this 10 underneath it and open up that column. Okay, so we've got phase 1 is the king. We're bringing that down. And then phase 2 is going to bring that queen down and then bring the jack with it. Oh no, that's the red queen. We need the black queen, don't we? And there is no black queen down there. I apologize, I misread that. I think this may be our first move, though. So we're going to need to move 2 cards. We'll get this black jack of clubs down. So we're going to move the 3 of spades. We're going to move the queen. And the next time around, this black jack is going to be the first card. However, we need to open up one of these columns here if we want to be able to move. There's a red 10 under here, I believe. So let's go through again. Okay, there is the black jack. We're going to play that. We are going to play the 4 of spades, I believe. And we need to figure out a way. Oh yeah, we can open up this column here. There's a move. There's a move to open up a column. I don't know if you see it yet. I'm going to let you hit pause if you'd like. Okay. I trust you've had some time. you'll notice there are 2 black 5s, and oh, by the way, a 5 of spades can go up top, right? So we can open up this column. I think you see the move. It's going to be 4 diamonds underneath there, so 4 diamonds right here. 5 of spades up top, and then 5 of clubs goes over here. Open column. Oh, that's great. 6 of spades gives us a ton of flexibility. It's probably going to go up top, but the good news is that's the ace of hearts. And we can play this. 2 of hearts, we can also play this club. And more importantly, we can move this king over. That opens up the column. That's huge because there's a 10 of diamonds right here. We can move that over. And guess what? 2 of diamonds, we can move that up. 3 of diamonds, we can move up. 4 of diamonds. Do we want to move the 5 of diamonds? I say yes, because we want to be able to open up another one of these columns here. Though we would like to get this jack of diamonds down too. That's going to be a little trickier to get to that. Let's see where we're at with this. We're going to move this queen over. Okay, 4 of hearts we can't play. Let's play the cards we can and see if we can't move the 7 one way or other. So we can play the 4 of clubs. We can play the 5 of clubs. We can play the 6 of diamonds. Now we can also play 6 of spades, 7 of spades. We need to open up this column here. I think you see the move. If you don't, that's okay. I'll show it to you again. There is a 7 of diamonds right here. All we need to do is get the 7 of diamonds up top and then move this 7 of hearts underneath that. What we need to do, of course, is shift the 6 of clubs over. So 6 of clubs goes here. 7 of diamonds goes up top. Now we really need an 8 of diamonds so we can move this 9 of diamonds up top and then move the spade up as well, but that's something for later. 7 of hearts can go here. And we get the 6 of hearts. Not the best card, but not the worst card. There's a different move here. If you look in our foundation piles, you'll notice there's a 7 of spades. You also may notice there's an 8 of hearts right there. We're going to play it right there. And we are going to drop the 6 of hearts right here. And there we have it, the 8 of diamonds. Really good card for us, although we need to get the 7 of spades up if we want to play this one down. But let's play the 8 of diamonds up. Now we can play the 9 of diamonds up. We need to figure out a way to get this 8 of spades in, or that could kind of hurt us. However, good news is we can move this queen, and that, wow. That is a card I want to see. We're going to figure out something here, though. Let's see what's behind there. There's a 3. Oh, that's a perfect card right there. 3 of hearts is a great card for us. We're going to play it. That means we can play the 4 of hearts, 5 of hearts, 6 of hearts, and more importantly, it means we can start playing some of these other cards, like this 7 of spades, 6 of clubs, 7 of clubs. We might get these cards high enough to where we can get rid of the cards in this pile, draw pile here. So 7 of hearts up, 8 of hearts up, 10 of diamonds, not yet. 8 of clubs is going up, 9 of clubs is going up, and the reason I'm holding this 10 of diamonds is because I want to pull this 9 of spades down. Now we can move this 10 of clubs up. Now we can move the 8 of spades over, and of course 9 of spades, and now we just pull this jack down right here, and all we do is put this right here, and we hit solve, and we've solved it. So I'd like to thank all of those that stuck around to watch this. Yeah, sometimes you get different situations and stuff, but that's a good example of how you would methodically work through a situation like that and figure out how to solve it. And of course, that's going to wrap this up. I am signing out. Thank you for watching, and of course, good luck.